In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in FigJam. If you're looking to jumpstart a workshop, a brainstorm, or a presentation, templates can save tons of time and give your team a consistent starting point. Here's how to find them and get one into your workspace. First, go to FigJam. From the Figma app or web dashboard, switch to the FigJam area so you're in the whiteboarding environment where these templates live and work best. Next, click on Community. This is the public library where creators and the Figma team publish ready-to-use boards, kits, and supporting tools. Think of it as your hub for discovery. Now, click on Saved. This section gathers items you've previously bookmarked in Community. It's great for quickly revisiting templates you already liked. If you're building a library over time, this tab becomes your personal shortlist. Click on Design Resources. This filter focuses your view on assets specifically created to help you design and run sessions, things like frameworks, boards, and handy formats tailored for FigJam. Click on the Figma Make category. This is a curated collection from the Figma team and trusted creators. It's a reliable place to find polished, well-documented boards that follow good collaboration practices. Click on Plugins plus Widgets. While not templates themselves, these tools can enhance how you use a template, automating sticky notes, voting, timers, or icebreakers. Browsing here helps you plan which add-ons pair well with the template you'll select. Click on Presentations. If you're preparing a share-out or a team update, this narrows results to boards designed for sequencing content clearly. Click on Whiteboarding. This is where you'll find boards for brainstorming, affinity mapping, and decision-making, perfect for collaborative sessions. Click on Websites. If your session involves site planning or mapping, these templates bundle structure and components so you can focus on content and flows. When you see a template you like, choose it and click on it. Open the details page to review a preview, read the description, and check any notes on usage. Look for signs of quality like clear instructions, good page organization, and recent updates. Finally, click on Open in Figma. The file will open in your workspace, ready for you to explore. Most templates include guidance directly on the canvas. Start by scanning the first frame for instructions. From here, you can adapt the layout, replace placeholder text, and adjust colors to match your team's style. Keep the original layers and sections intact where possible, so the built-in flow remains easy to follow. And that's it. You've found, opened, and are ready to use a FigJam template to accelerate your next session.